As you can see, I'm playing Minecraft on my school Chromebook right now, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can do the same as well. So let's just get straight into it. The very first thing you need to do is get the Linux terminal, and to do that,
Here, I need you guys to type in settings and hit enter right away. Great. Now I need you guys to focus on the left panel, scrolling all the way down to the bottom until you find the About Chromeware section. Excellent. Now go ahead and search for the Linux development environment and click the setup button to the right hand side of that. Now once in the interface, I need you
now before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and also comment down below if this method works for you. Now let's get right back.
I need you guys to go ahead and click on next. Now as you can see, it allows you to customize your username, and so I'm going to make mine GD7OS for the sake of this video, and I'm going to leave it on recommended because 10 gigs is just enough for me, and I'm going to click on install. Now whilst this is downloading, we'll be moving on to the next step. Great. Now once your terminal is done downloading or installing, go ahead and click on your launcher on the left hand side and type in terminal. And then once that is there, go ahead and select the one with the green and white slash right there. Now once this opens, go ahead and click on Penguin right under Linux, which should load you and boot you up into your terminal.
Great. Now I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft on your school Chromebook. So first of all, you need to go to your browser, and on the search engine, go ahead and type in gd7blogspot.blogspot.com/2025/07/mc.html and press enter right away. Great. Now it will take you to this website right here. Now all you have to do is scroll down, and there's this link right here. Copy the link, open a new tab, and go ahead and paste it and press enter. Great, our file gets automatically downloaded, so all you have to do is click on show in folder right here. There's our file right here. Now go ahead and cut the file and go over to Linux files and paste it. Now this is very important because we will be extracting directly from your Linux files, so we need the file to be here. Go ahead and click on this and right click it, rename the file, and cut all these parts out and just write Minecraft. Remember, the M is not capital, nothing is capital here. Do not touch any of this part because it can cause a lot of errors when we're trying to extract the file. Great, now that Minecraft has been downloaded, we want to go back to our terminal. How to install Minecraft on school Chromebook? And all you have to do is go to your launcher and type in terminal and press enter right away, and click on this penguin right here, and that should put you up to your terminal. Great. Now here there are a few things we need to type in. So the first thing you need to type in is sudo space apt space update and press enter. Great. Now wait for this to update. It should show that all packages are up to date, then you can continue. Great. Now you need to go ahead and type in sudo space apt space upgrade and press enter right away. Great. Now go ahead and type in cat space /debian_version and press enter. Great. Now the version should at least be 10 to continue. Great. Now we just checked that your software is all up to date. So if all of these things are met, then you should have no problems in the future as well. Now go ahead and type in sudo space apt space install space flatpak and press enter. Now wait for that to install. Now go ahead and type in sudo space flatpak space install, and remember the file we saved earlier, so just go ahead and type in Minecraft. Remember, we didn't put any capitals in there. Dot flatpakref, and go ahead and press enter. Now wait for this to download as well, and once that is done, then we should have no issues at all. Now go ahead and type in Y and press enter. Y and press enter again. Now as you can see, it's all being downloaded. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, otherwise you could get an error message, but don't worry, you can rerun the code and it should work. Great. Now as you can see, installation is complete. How to play Minecraft on school Chromebook. So now we can go over to your launcher and go ahead and search Minecraft. Great. As you can see, there's Minecraft right there, so just go ahead and click on it. Now as you can see, it says updating Minecraft launcher, so just wait and it will load up. Great. Now as you can see, there's Minecraft. I'm going to log in and I'll see you on the other side of my screen. Now as you can see, Minecraft is working perfectly on my school Chromebook. Now you can also go ahead and try it yourself. If you face any issues, you can always join our Discord and ask any questions that you have. The link is in the description. Now, if you want to get Roblox on your school Chromebook, click on the video on the screen. Otherwise, like and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.